Cory Yates. I am the managing member and owner of Alpha and Omega Restaurant Equipment Repair. We have 10 different technicians and they use it every day on every work order. I think that it folds time on our training processes and it eliminates the skepticism and the frustration by clients. They don't want to stand over our shoulder while we're making a repair, right? They can't. They don't have the time. They're making food. They're doing whatever they're doing, but they want their money spent as wisely as possible. And with this, we can assure them that they have, or when we make a mistake, as we inevitably will, that we document it. We want them to know, we made this mistake. Here's what we did in an accountable fashion to take care of that. So they see the mistake, they see the resolution, and they know that they weren't billed for that. And again, it's knowledge for them. It builds a stronger, more trusting relationship when you can say to them, listen, I made a mistake, but I made it right. It doesn't happen very often, but when it does, it's a game changer. It allows us to dig our claws deeper into our client as far as trust goes. We will take XOI videos. Let's say, for instance, that the repairing technician was not the diagnosing technician. We try to minimize that, but it happens. Time constraints, whatever, the availability of the diagnosing tech, he's not there. So what we can do is we can take the XOI video from the diagnostic work order, attach it to the repair work order so that technician can see everything that the diagnosing technician did prior to making the repair, so that they're making the correct repair to the correct piece of equipment the way the diagnosing technician wanted it done. And that in itself, inside the tech force is key. The repair technician never wants to make a repair for a diagnosis he didn't do. But in this situation, we minimize his liability and increase his comfort level to make that repair, because he was basically looking over the shoulder of the diagnosing tech and goes, I get it. I know exactly what needs to be done. I'm comfortable making this repair. I'm not going to have a finger pointed at me because I'm doing exactly what needs to be done off the diagnosis. I'm a fan. Send anybody my way. I'm a fan.